Hey, Ron Schwally here. Just want to say thanks for checking out my video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or subscribe right there. I appreciate you. Enjoy.
Alright, so now we're going to stretch out our legs. So everybody, let me see some chicken beach like this. Everybody go. Come on. So ready? When you pet for some seeds, like a bunch of chickens, try to keep your legs straight. Everybody go. Pet, 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 pet. Nice. Now, let's make some monkey noises.
Hey there, Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.